Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video and newsletter, I like to remind you that in these free videos, I really do try to bring you actionable content. It won't always be next day trades, but it's not just sitting here reviewing everything that has worked, right? It's trying to give you a heads up on the moves that are yet to come, and if you're really in tune with the kind of step-by-step process of it, I think you found Tesla from Friday's review helpful. So let's recap it a bit. Again, I could go way back in time on this chart, but I'll keep it somewhat brief. From where we saw the reversal arrow here on the 12th, that close above the high of the low bar is what starts the movement above the 21 EMA. So you can see that we get that close for the first time there, and then the day after, even though it closed down from the gap, is still well above the 21 EMA. So with those two closes above the mean price, and that mean now moving from lower left to upper right, you look to buy that rising mean. So you came down into it pretty much to the tick this morning. That gave us a very nice bid, getting up in through this snow line and closing above the anchored VWAP. So I think there is a lot that gave us that intraday opportunity and a lot that may offer continuation. Now from here, you'll have a key strike of 190. You'll notice this snow line at 190.22. It will also be a strike that is important. So we'll see if we hold below that for Tuesday. And then it's a unique week because Wednesday is closed. So it seems to me like there is at least one path where you close below 190 tomorrow, and then you get continuation for Thursday and Friday. So we'll see how that progresses, but I wanted to update that because, again, you look at it on Friday, move in on Monday, awesome. That is how I'm trying to make use of your time, and it was nice to see today. The next is going to be Google. So Google is, at least as far as these signals are concerned, not one that I'm betting on for tomorrow, right? It's more of a swing-based approach. But if we step back and look at something like the weekly chart, do you see how I enjoy adding the 1414 extension? You know, I grew up using the 1272 and the 1618. But on these larger swings, there will be a large distance between those two Fibonacci extensions. That is where I have found adding that one in kind of just adds a unique proportion that products can often pause at. So when you see where that comes from off of the weekly, that horizontal way of looking at resistance gives context to all of this sideways trade. So you trade sideways below that level, allow moving averages to catch up to price, form a daily squeeze, and those tend to be some of your best directional plays. So those are the setups that I'll be following into tomorrow. I hope you find the review helpful. Have a great rest of your night, and I hope to see you in the rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.